Hello students of class 5th B, this is your new online classes. Welcome to your science class. In the previous lectures, we have studied the chapter. Now we will study the new words which we have studied before. So the first one is circulatory system. So what is circulatory system? The transport system that moves substances throughout the body with the help of blood. So the circulatory system is the transport system of our body that moves substances throughout the body with the help of blood. Second is arteries. What are arteries? Arteries are the blood vessels that take blood away from the heart. These blood vessels take blood away from the heart. Next is veins. What are veins? Veins are the blood vessels that bring blood towards the heart from all the parts of the body. These blood vessels collect the blood from all the parts of the body and take towards the heart. Now the next one is capillaries. What are capillaries? These are the smallest blood vessels that connect arteries and the veins. Which connect arteries and the veins? They are capillaries. The last one is blood. What is blood? Blood is a red color fluid. Fluid means liquid that flows inside blood vessels. So blood is a red colored fluid that flows inside blood vessels. Now let us move towards exercise. Our first question is tick the correct answer. A. In 1 minute the heart beats 70 to 72 times, 68 to 69 times, 40 to 45 times or 90 to 95 times. So the answer is 70 to 72 times. B part. Blood cells include RBC, WBC, platelets or all of them. Our answer is all of them. C part. Blood vessels are arteries, veins, capillaries or all of them. The answer is all of them. D part. Blood vessels with thick muscular walls are veins, arteries, capillaries or all of them. So the answer is arteries. In E part, blood flows in jugs in veins, arteries, capillaries or all of them. So the answer is arteries. You have to write it in copy and write their answer. Question number 2, write true or false. A part, plasma is a yellowish fluid. So the answer is true. B part, WBC help in blood clotting. So the answer is false because WBC helps to fight against infections. C part, veins carry blood from body organs to the heart. Answer is true. D part, the heart has 2 chambers. Answer is false because heart has 4 chambers. E part, the septum prevents mixing of deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. The answer is true. The third question is fill in the blanks. A part, the right dash receives deoxygenated blood from the right auricle. So the answer is ventricle. VENTRICLE, ventricle. B part, dash gives blood its red color. So what is the substance name? Hemoglobin. HAEMOGLOBIN. Hemoglobin. Write their answers. In the heart, the dash lies above the dash. So the answer is auricle. First one is AURICLE, auricle. Next one is ventricle. VENTRICLE, ventricle. D. The deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle is pumped into the dash and is transported to lungs by the dash. So the answer is first answer here. It is pulmonary aorta. Pulmonary aorta. AORTA, aorta. And the second answer is pulmonary arteries. PULMONARY, pulmonary arteries. ARTERIES, arteries. E part, when both auricles and ventricles are dashed, the auricles get filled with blood. So the answer is relaxed. 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 Now let's move towards question answer. Question number 4. Answer the following questions briefly. A part. Explain the structure of the heart. So the answer is, write the answer from here. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. The heart is divided into 2 halves by a thick muscular septum. Each half has an auricle above and a ventricle below. So this is the answer of first question. You can write it from here. B part. How are arteries different from veins? So we have to tell the difference between the arteries and the veins. So the answer is, you can write it from here. First, arteries, they have thick and muscular wall. They carry blood away from the heart. Then the veins carry blood from the body organs to the heart, and they have thin walls. So these are the two main differences. You can write it from here. C part. Name the 3 types of blood cells. Write their functions. So you can write the answer from here. 3 main type of blood cells are red blood cells, white blood cells and blood platelets. So their function is, the function of RBC, they contain the pigment hemoglobin that give red color to the RBC and hence the blood. The function of WBC, they defend the body against infection. The function of platelets, they are very tiny cells that have to stop bleeding by clotting of blood. So the answer is here, third. You can write it from here. D part. Explain the working of the heart and the circulation of blood. So you can write the answer from here. When both the auricles contract together and their valves open, blood from the left auricle comes into the left ventricle and from the right auricle into the right ventricle. Next, both the auricles and ventricle contract. The oxygenated blood from left ventricle is pumped into the aorta and is distributed to all body parts by arteries. The deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle is pumped into pulmonary aorta and is transported to the lungs by pulmonary arteries for oxygenation. So this is the answer you have to write. E part. Write 3 functions of the blood. So you have to write like this. 3 functions of the blood are, then you have to write the answer from here. From here, it provides food and oxygen to every body cell. Second, it removes waste from the cells. Third, it helps in regulating body temperature. This is the answer. F part. Water capillaries. So you can write the answer from here. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels that connect arteries and veins. G part. Define heartbeat. Write the answer from here. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the auricles and ventricles is known as heartbeat. This is the answer. Now here is a question given. Which blood cells are called the soldiers of the body? So the answer is white blood cells. White blood cells, because they prevent us against infections or diseases. So your chapter is completed now. You can complete the exercise and write these question answers in your copy and learn the chapter.